Are you ready to transform your core and achieve that flat stomach you've always wanted? Let's dive into 5 simple yet effective exercises that you can do in just 30 days. Each exercise is designed to target your abdominal muscles and help you shed that stubborn belly fat. Let's get started. First up, we have the classic plank. Get into a push-up position, but instead of resting on your hands, lower yourself onto your forearms. Keep your body in a straight line from head to heels. Engage your core and hold this position for 30 seconds. Remember, the key is to keep your hips level and avoid sagging or lifting too high. This exercise strengthens your entire core and improves stability. Next, we'll move on to bicycle crunches. Lie flat on your back with your hands behind your head. Lift your legs to a tabletop position. Now, bring your right elbow to your left knee while straightening your right leg. Alternate sides in a pedaling motion. Aim for 15 to 20 reps on each side. This exercise not only targets your abs but also engages your obliques, giving you that sculpted look. Now, let's challenge ourselves with mountain climbers. Start in a high plank position. Quickly drive your knees towards your chest, alternating legs as if you're running in place. Keep your core tight and your back straight. Do this for 30 seconds. This exercise is fantastic for burning calories while also working your abs. Moving on, we have the leg raise. Lie flat on your back with your legs extended. Slowly lift your legs towards the ceiling while keeping them straight, then lower them back down without touching the floor. Aim for 10 to 15 reps. This exercise isolates your lower abs, which can be a tough area to target. Finally, let's finish strong with Russian twists. Sit on the floor with your knees bent and lean back slightly. Hold your hands together and twist your torso to the right, then to the left. For an added challenge, lift your feet off the ground. Aim for 20 twists. This exercise works your obliques and helps improve your rotational strength. Remember, consistency is key. Incorporate these exercises into your daily routine, and you'll start seeing results in no time. Focus on your form, breathe through each movement, and challenge yourself to push a little harder every day. If you found this workout helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Your feedback is important, so feel free to leave a comment below. Let's crush those fitness goals together.